Estimation of speed and distance of four of object. How the speed and distance of four of object are estimated. Cosmic distance, ladder, celestial mechanics is the branch of astronomy and deals with motion of celestial bodies. Astronomers studying celestial mechanics estimate the speed and distance of celestial bodies. Ang celestial mechanics ay ang sangay ng astronomiya na tumatalakay sa mga galaw ng mga celestial body. Tinatadya ng mga astronomo na nag-aaral sa celestial mechanics ang mga bilis at distansya ng mga celestial body. Cosmic distance ladder is the most common method used to measure of distance of all celestial bodies that can be seen from Earth. It is composed of several methods wherein the data obtained in the first step of the ladder are used in the succeeding step. Ang cosmic distance ay ang mga pinakakaraniwang paraan ng ginagamit upang sukatin ang mga distansya ng lahat ng celestial body na makita mula sa Earth. Ito ay binubuo ng ilang mga pamamaraan kung saan ang data na nakuha sa unang hakbang ng hakdan ay ginagamit sa mga susunod na hakbang. Astronomical unit and parallax. Astronomical unit AU is the measure of the distance of Earth from the Sun. It can also to considered as the basis the cosmic distance ladder. 1 AU it's approximately 1.50 x 1011 m. This value is used in the measuring the parallax of a star. Ang astronomical unit AU ay ang sukat ng distansya ng Earth mula sa araw. Maaari rin itong ituring base ng cosmic distance ladder. Ang 1 AU ay mahigit kumulang 1.50 x 1011 m. Ginagamit ang halagang ito sa pagsukat ng parallax ng isang bituin. Astronomical unit and parallax. Parallax is the apparent change in the position of an object to change in the way it is perceived. It is used the measuring the distance of stars. The are approximately 300 light years away. Astronomers take photos of the specific star with 6 months interval of compare the change in position. This shift is the position of the star serve as the angles of an isosceles triangle. The parallax angle is the measuring in arcseconds. Ang parallax ay ang maliwanag na pagbabago ng posisyon ng isang bagay dahil sa pagbabago ng paraan ng pagdama nito. Ginagamit ito sa pagsukat ng distansya ng mga bituin na humigit kumulang 300 light years ang layo. Ang mga astronomo ay kumukuha ng mga larawan ng isang particular na bituin na may pagitan ng 6 na buwan upang yambing ang pagbabago sa posisyon. Ang mga pagbabagong ito sa posisyon ng bituin ay nagsisilbing mga anggulo ng isang isosceles triangle. Ang anggulo ng parallax ay sinusukat sa mga arcseconds. Astronomical unit and parallax. The parallax angle is measured in arcseconds. The definition of degree and arcsecond is 1 degree, 1/360 of circle. 1 arcsecond, 1 arcsec, 1/3/600 of a degree. D is the distance of the celestial object and expressed in unit of parsec. Ang anggulo ng parallax ay sinusukat sa mga arcseconds. Ang kahulugan ng isang degree at arcseconds ay 1 degree, 1/160 and isang bilong 1. Arcseconds, 1 arsec, 1/3/600 ng isang degree. D ay isang distansya ng celestial na bagay at ipinahayag ng isang unit ng parsec. Astronomical unit and parallax. The relationship between stars, distance d, and its parallax angle p is expressed as d1p. Another unit is the denote distance. For celestial object is light year. It is defined as the distance light can travel in 1 year. 1 light year, 0.306601 parsec, 9.461 x 1015 m. Ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng distansya ng isang bituin d at ang parallax nito p ay ipinapayag bilang d1p, ang isa pang unit na ginagamit upang tukuyin ang mga distansya para sa mga bagay na makalangit ay light year. Ito ay tinutukoy bilang ang distansya na maaring maglakbay ng liwanag sa isang taon. 1 year, 0.6601 per sec, 9.461 1015 m. Alpha Centauri has a parallax angle of 0.7.2 parsec. What is the distance between Earth and Alpha Centauri using the parallax method. Tukuyin kung ano ang kinakailangan upang mahanap sa problema. Hinihiling sa iyo na kalkulain ang distansya d sa pagitan ng Earth and Alpha Centauri. Step 2. Identify the given. In the problem, the parallax angle P of the Alpha Centauri is given P 0.742 arcsec. Step 3. Write the working equation D1P. Substitute of given values D1P 0.42 arcsec 1. Step 5. Find the answer D 1.35 parsec. The Earth and Alpha Centauri is 1.35 parsec away from each other. Spectroscopic method. This method is used for stars whose parallax cannot be measured using the ladder. It's required that the star's apparent brightness and spectrum be observed first. Mga paraan ng spectroscopic. Ang paraang ito ay ginagamit para sa mga bituin ng parallax ay hindi masukat ng gamit na ang hagdan. Nangangailangan nito na obserbahan muna ang maliwanag na ningning at spectrum na bituin. Ang ganap na ningning ng isang bituin ay ang karaniwang sukatan ng ningning ng astronomiya. Ito ay ang ningning ng isang bituin na 10 parsec ang layo mula sa Earth. Ang aktual na ningning ng bituin na makita sa Earth ay kilala bilang maliwanag na ningning na ito. The Hertzsprung-Russell HR diagram. It's a graph that shows star luminosity versus its temperature. Mga paraan ng spectroscopic. Ang Hertzsprung-Russell HR diagram ay isang graph na nagpapakita ng ningning ng bituin laban sa temperatura nito. If the location of the star can be plotted on the HR diagram, its absolute brightness can be determined. The absolute brightness of the cluster of star can be compared to the absolute brightness of the stars with known distance, which make the possible spectroscopic method. The distance modulus is the difference between apparent and absolute magnitude m. It is the direct measure of the distance of the star. M 5 log d 5, where m is the different magnitude, m is the absolute magnitude of d. It is the distance to the object in parsec. Distance can be calculated on. Mga paraan ng spectroscopic. Ang modulus ng distansya ay ang pagkakaiba ng pagitan ng maliwanag na ganap ng magnitude m. Ito ang direktang sukat ng distansya ng bituin m 5 log d 5, kung saan ang m ay ang maliwanag na magnitude, mis ang ganap na magnitude, at dA ang distansya ng bagay sa parsec. Ang distansya ay maaaring kalkulahin sa pamamagitan ng m times 5. Determine of the distant modulus of Alpha Centauri if it is 1.35 parsec away from Earth. Tukuyin kung ano ang kinakailangan upang mahanap sa problema hinihiling sa iyo ng kalkulayin ang distansya modulus m ang Alpha Centauri. Step 2. Identify the given in the problem. The distance d of the Alpha Centauri is given d 1.35 parsec. Write the working equation m 5 log d 5. Step 4. Substitute the given value m 5 log 1.355. Find the answer m 4.34. Doppler effect. It is the shift in the wavelength of the emitted light of an object, which are proportional to the speed with which the object moves. It is used the anthropometers to estimate the speed of object. It occurs when the star emitting light moves with respect to an observer.
Modern classification of celestial bodies. Celestial bodies are classified to allow easy identification and minimize big when referring to them. Ang mga celestial body ay inuuri upang bigyang daan ang mga madaling pagkakilanlan at mabawasan ng malabo kapag tinutukoy ang mga ito. Celestial bodies. Star. It is formed when a cloud of gas contracts under its own gravity. As the cloud contracts, the temperature at its center rises to a point where nuclear reaction occurs. The hydrogen at its center fuse to form helium, releasing large amount. Celestial bodies. Star. Ito ay nabuo kapag ang isang ulap ng gas ay kumukas sa ilalim ng sarili nitong gravity. Habang kumukontra ang ulap, tumataas ang temperatura sa gitna nito hanggang sa isang punto kung saan nagaganap ang mga reaksyon nuclear. Ang hydrogen sa gitna nito ay nagsasama upang bumuo ng helium na naglalabas ng malaking halaga. Brown dwarf. It is formed when the cloud of gas fails to start a nuclear reaction. At the range of Mach 15 to 75 times the mass of Jupiter, the celestial body is not compatible of sharing a nuclear reaction. Ito ay nabuo kapag ang ulap ng gas ay nabigong magsimula ng isang nuclear reaction. Planet. It is a bodies that form when the leftover material from the formation of the star accumulates. It does not enlarge must start a nuclear reaction and produce its own light. Ito ay isang katawan na nabubuo kapag ang mga natirang materyales ay buo sa pagkabuo ng isang bituin na naipon. Wala itong sapat na masa upang magsimula ng isang nuclear reaction at makagawa ng sarili nitong liwanag. 2006, a planet was formally defined by astronomers to have the FF3 characteristic 1. It orbits around a star. It was sufficient must assume hydrostatic equilibrium. It was nearly around shape. It must have dominance in orbit so as not all around and other objects share which its path or neighborhood. 6. Ang isang planeta ay formal na tinutukoy ng mga astronomo upang magkaroon ng FF, tatlong katangian. Celestial bodies, extrasolar planets, exoplanets. There are planets that are outside the solar system. Since 1992, more than 3,500 exoplanets and more than 2,600 star systems, which orbits planets, have been discovered. They can be detected by analyze the Doppler shift of planet star and by observing the timing of the parent star during transit. Celestial bodies, extrasolar planets, exoplanets. Exoplanets can be detected using the stellar bulb. The bulb indicates that there must be some mass of planet that orbit the star. This bulb can be detected by analyzing the light that comes from a star. This method is only possible if planets are massive enough to fuselage, hubbles on the parent star.